Hi everyone! Last time we have talked about volatility and the measurement of volatility, which is the variance. But did you notice that variance can be any number and is not really comparable to the actual return itself because it is basically the average square of the distance between any data point to the average. So today we're going to introduce standard deviation, which is basically the square root of the variance taking into account a simple error. And let's see the formula. So simply subtract 1 from the n to reflect the simple error, and this is basically make it look bigger, and that's because a bigger sample normally have bigger standard deviation. Now we add the square root and you've got the standard deviation. Now let's look at the Excel and the number. So we open up the Excel file we did last time that we calculated the return, the distance, and then the variance. So for the standard deviation, I copy down the standard deviation, making sure that all the cells is starting that correctly, and then I'm going to put basically a square to the half is a square, and remember to actually take away 1 to take into account the sample error. Okay, and that is the standard deviation. So you'll see that the standard deviation is more comparable to the return itself.